Hello guys, how are you today? We from Hello-Haus wish you safe and healthy during this pandemic time. To show you how to remove the wall plug without damage your wall, especially if you rental a place. So let's see the tips. First, we use the screw to take out the plug into the wall of it, and then we take pliers to remove the plug. There you go. And you can see Steve remove the plug by pull the thing out by the screw, and he took the pliers to pull them out. There you go. Now we use the fillers. Scoop out the fillers with the scrapers, and he fill into the hole for 10 minutes and let them dry. Then we use again the fillers for the second time to even out the hole. If you have any questions or you would like to share something, you can just leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching Hello-Haus, and we'll see you again. Bye!